Hello there, welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial you will learn how you can transfer your funds into your MT5 account. If you are using an app, let's say that you are using a desktop app. So the first thing you need to do is just log into your account on Chrome, and then if you don't have an account, I have a link in the description. So check it and register right now. Now, after doing that, this is my real account. If I want to change to demo, I can do that, but we are using a real account. Now what you need to do, you first need to have money. So you need to deposit, and after doing that, just tap on the traders hub. You will still land here. Now, what you need to do also, if you don't have this MT5 account, just choose one that suits for you and then get started. After you tap this get started, you just create a password here, and then after creating a password, you will be able to log in into that account. So to log into that account, you just open, and then if you are using a PC, make sure that you download the app using this link. There are people who go and search or try to download the app from the MT5 website. Don't do that, because you'll not be able to log in to that app on using Deriv. So what you need to do, just download it from here, and then after doing that, you will have an app that looks this way. Now this is the app, and if I want to log into the account, I just open here on the file, and then I can just come here, log into the account. Now I will go back to Chrome, take those details, and then now I want to confirm this is the server, and then I go to the app, choose the server, and then let me confirm whether it was that server. So it was this server. Choose this one, paste it, and then after pasting that, I can enter the password that I had saved there, and then okay. That way I will have my account there. You see, that is the account. It has been loaded here. You can see it has a zero balance. Now if I want to transfer my money here, what I need to do, back again to here, and then this is the balance that I can transfer here. Now I first need to transfer a balance here so that I transfer into this account. So there is somewhere that I have some money. Now I will transfer from this account to the standard account. Now I'll transfer $1. Now I have first transferred to my balance. What I need to do now is come here and transfer that $1 into that account. That is how you do it. Now after doing that, that amount should be able to reflect here. Now it has not been refreshed, but it should be able to reflect here. So I will restart the app and then see again. You see, that is the $1. Now if I want to take out my money out, it is just the same process. So if I want to get my money out of MT5, I just tap on the transfer, then I just change this one, just change it. That way I'll be able to transfer my money outside. MT5 back to my balance, and I can withdraw it if I want to. So thanks for watching. If you don't have an account, I have a link in the description. So create right now so that you have the best commissions. Thanks for watching.